Guys, we are well rested now. We're heading out again to explore on our last night. I don't know about these two, but I'm not feeling the hungriest, so we were planning to share meals between each other. We really want to check out Spanians, and I'm not mad that it's raining, to be honest, because rain chases people away, and the lines that I've been seeing on Spanians videos of the lines that he's been having, yeah. So outfit check. Aussie wants to do the outfit check now because he went and bought some new clothes, guys. Okay, so the bag's Colorado from Strand Bags. Also bought for my 30th. Kmart, Big W, and Zambia. Oh yeah. Can you see properly?
Adidas, my Crocs from Foot Locker, and mine's from Big W, and my jacket from
Factory.
Factory. My jumper's from Factory, the pants from Factory, and the shoes is from JD.
Yeah, show us the fit, show us the shoes. Nice. Loving it. So that's our Skype. I'm hoping and praying that Spanians is not too long. Don't want to be spending 6 hours there. I saw some of the reviews.
Big Q, Spaniard.
The line is super long. I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait for, guys, but we're gonna stick it in. Stick it in. Well, it's 9 o'clock. Let's see how long we have to wait.
We here at the Spanian shop here, the kebab place. We come and suss it out.
I can't believe I see him over there, guys, in the white hat, and I am like fangirling right now. Oh, he's being blocked, but the white cap over there. It's been 30 minutes now, guys, and we're making progress. Just move your head. The line's still at the back. I see the light at the end of the tunnel, guys. We are almost there, literally, and that's the back of the line all the way back there, which it hasn't even.
After these guys, it's more screw.
Oh, thank you. I'll get the chicken, one chicken kebab, one lamb kebab combo.
I'm going to give you a number.
Oh, click 0, sorry.
I'll click 0.
We have just done our order, and it only took us 39 minutes to get to the very front, from the back to the very front of the line. And our order cost $42, so I am so keen to review this for you guys. $10.25, guys, an hour and a half to get 2 kebabs and 2 fries. The moment of truth, 09.
09!
Yay! Yay! Bro, those are massive kebabs. My acai bowl, and I'm happy I got the baby one because it is nice. I do like it, but it's not something you want like too much of because it's very rich. But Laura's about to try her V-bomb. Give us a review.
V-bomb.
Do you like it? The nerds are sour.
Yeah, it's alright. No, 6.
6 out of 10. Oh wow, you must really not like it. Well, I rated my acai bowl probably a 7 out of 10. But I'm just happy that we got to try it. 7 out of 10. So I hope it is still an accurate review from us because it's been about 40 minutes since we picked it up, but we wanted to come home and try it properly, cut it, put it on a plate, whatever. Laura's not really liking her drink, but I actually liked it. Have you ever tried nerds before? Oh, that's probably why you're not used to it. It's got nerds at the bottom. get some plates. It's so big. This looks amazing. It smells and looks amazing. So this is the chicken one. That actually looks so good. So good. We ate one chips in the car, so we got 2 combos. The chips were good. I like them. They were nice and crunchy. That's the lamb. That looks so good.
I got the lamb combo or something.
Yeah, the lamb one. Lamb kebab. There's only 3. You can only get chicken and lamb or mixed. So chicken and lamb together.
Big bite for you and for me.
Wait, I'll get Aussie go first. Go, Aussie's trying the lamb one.
I got the lamb one.
Yes, it could be. Oh my gosh, it's all falling out. It's really salty. You like it?
Yeah. See?
It's because
Ooh, I like it.
it was 40 minutes.
Sauce, the taste, perfect.
Perfect. Perfecto.
Actually, really nice. I don't know why you guys say the bread. The bread is like perfect for this kind of.
The bread's so soft.
Man,
The bread is so soft.
so soft, so nice.
It's not bad.
Wow, I don't know. You want this?
Yeah, sure. Let us taste it.
Oh, nice.
I think it's the same sauce though.
Taste it. So nice.
Oh, it's spicy.
I
I
like
think
it.
the spicy one.
That is so nice.
It's nice. Mind the wukus. We're saving it for later. The chips are too salty for me. Way too salty. Well, if it wasn't, look, you can't win. If it wasn't salted, people would say it wasn't seasoned. See, the man seasons it. It's too seasoned. He can't win either way, but
I think the kebab is so nice, for my opinion, so good. Bomb for me.
I like it. It's different, but it's nice. Was it worth the hour-and-a-half wait, guys, do you think?
Yeah, it's worth it. Worth it. Feel your belly so full.
Hi. Excuse you. Guys, what do you rate it? Aussie, what do you rate it out of 10?
I rate this one 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, I really love the
If you know, it should be 10. You're waiting on you.
No, why do you rate it 9 out of 10?
the meat. It's nice and juicy. The sauce perfect, and the bread so soft. It's perfect with the meat and the sauce. And the kebab is massive. Feel your tongue. So that's my review for myself. 9 out of 10. So probably 10. Yeah, 9.
Okay, so I rate it probably an 8 out of 10. It's not the best kebab I ever tasted, but it is different. I acknowledge that. The bread, I was expecting it to be so tough, like, you know, Turkish bread where you bite into it and it's like just tough bread. This is so soft.
Soft, yeah, so
fluffy. Warranted, it did take us 40 minutes to actually eat it from when we got the bag in our hand. And, but I think if we ate it fresh, like, it would have been that much better. That's just my honest review. 8 out of 10. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up. Laura?
6 out of 10.
6?
Yeah.
So low.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Too salt.
Too salty?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, also she's comparing it to kebaba, which is like the standard kebabs. But it's different, but I like it. I like it.
For me, this is the best. For me, it's the best one I taste. The juicy inside, man.
Oh, okay. So you really liked yours?
Yeah.
Also, you got the spicy one. And the spice was a nice kick to it, so. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. And it's nice.
That's how Spanian mukbang!
Spanian mukbang.
Thanks for watching from your food enthusiasts.